We were enrolled in an online platform where lessons were given each week. After reviewing the lessons, we were given assessment exam to assess our ability to transcribe and comprehend with the lessons we have learned. To build speed, it has been my habit to religiously review the theory lessons I have taken and familiarize myself with lots of briefs. This gives me the opportunity and the ability to build my speed and write sentences and paragraphs faster. Also, in my spare time, I browse the internet to look for songs or online speeches and assess my mastery of the skills to transcribe what is being sung or said in the speech.